Good morning, guys. Ooh, look what I got to show you today. This is beautiful, really lovely. So I got to turn around. It's fantastic. So guys, here we have this lovely Neptune Deluxe, and you got the glass curtains there just on the D section. You've also got here a pergola with outside dining. It's got loads of little bits all around. Beautiful plants and trees. I'll just come up here. But I just want to turn around and show you. Oh, better go slow, don't want to make you dizzy. So you've got a nice table and chairs here to sit out on. Now, you would have to buy some cushions for them because that concrete gets quite hot in the summer. You got your pool covered there. You got your shower over there, just there, sorry. I'm pointing one way and the camera's going the other. So this is a beautiful pool here, look at this. So I'm quite excited to show you this. So I'm assuming this is to do with the pool. Yes, it is. It's the pool house. Now you've got lovely areas all over the garden and plenty of established trees and plants, and they're all in full bloom. Really beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So let's go down here. So we're on a grassy bit now, and of course you got your awning here with your outside dining. I'm going to show you all the bits around the garden first. So it looks like you got sheds here. Let's have a look. Oh, this is like, oh, it's a garage. So it's a large garage. There is the oil tank for central heating just there. You got your bench for your tools. There's a fridge, freezer. Of course, you could put a car in here, but most people have the driveway, so they don't bother that much, you know. So it's a nice little man cave, and it's nice and cool in here as well. Got electrics in here also. And just around there, that's the gate to the front of the property. So it's got another little shed here. And that's just for storage. So as you can see, lovely area here to sit out and just have lunch or whatever you want. It's a gorgeous sunny day today. I mean, it's really beautiful. You've also got those solar lights around the property. You've got a shower there. Oh, you've got so much to this property. Look at this. I'm going to bring you around here and show you this now as well. So you've got a lovely garden all the way through, some beautiful flowers. You've got a barbecue area, and you've got another area here that you can sit and enjoy. So this is your barbecue area, and you've got more storage there. You've got a water point, and that's just all netted off. So in the heat of the summer, if you wanted to go in there and just have your lunch in the shade, you can't do without flies bothering you. Okay, so I'm going to take you into the main house now. We'll go back around. Beautiful gardens, and of course over there you got your shower. So just pan around. Now you've got about 4 steps, very easy access to this property. So let's go inside. So just in here is the D section, and it's lovely decorated as well. It's got another table and chairs there as well. Plenty of areas to have lunch. Got wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows, and you got a modern ceiling light and fan there as well. So we're going through the main door here, and that has insect screens on the wreckers just there. And this door has kind of etching there on the glass, which is quite nice. So as we go in, Now, as we go in, I know I've put the lights on because they're really pretty lights there. But because there's glass in the door, this part doesn't look as dark. You have your storage, your overhead storage, and your double wardrobe, so you can put your coats, your wellies. Not that you'd have wellies here, it'd be flip-flops, and your melons or whatever. And this is your living room. Now, you have got central heating under the windows. You've got that lovely feature fireplace over there. You've got another radiator just there. And just above, you've got your ceiling light and fan. Really very nice. And if I look closely, you can see that there are locks on the windows. Security locks. Not that you need them on campus, though, to be fair. So this is just me walking around and showing you. So through there, of course, you have your dining area and the kitchen off that with your aircon. But I am going to take you through the archway first, and we're going to have a look around here. So this leads us to the master bedroom and another bedroom and a bathroom. Oh, this is beautiful. It's very nicely decorated, this property. It's really lovely. So there you have it. So this is the master bedroom, and in the master bedroom you have your aircon. You have a very modern ceiling light and fan there, and you have your radiators just under the windows with your Reckitt and your blackout blinds. Beautifully furnished as well. Just going to pan around for you just to get a feel for the room. Now, it is first thing in the morning, like the clock says. It's 11:12, and if you've noticed, the sun is on that pool all day, and so I think for me that's perfection. So just through here, as you can see, you have storage again and double wardrobes. You have a double wardrobe here, and you've got a single wardrobe just there. Got plenty of shelving as well, or areas to put shelving. So in here is your ensuite. So you've got an upgraded bathroom here. It's fully tiled. And what I like about this, the tiles are white. So you can put any accents really that you want. There is a green trim on it, but you could change the trim if you wanted. You have, I call them ice blocks, but they're glass blocks there. You have your WC, a bidet, and your sink and pedestal. And you have a cabinet there with a light overhead. So I'm just going to show you the shower now. So the floor is all been done down there. It's quite nice. And this is your shower unit. You've also got a frosted glass window there as well. So up here you've got a beautiful light, and you've got a heater over the door. Got your switches there, and you've got your radiator in here as well, just under the towels. Lovely bedroom. So I'm going to take you in now, and we look at the next shower room in here. So you've got 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms downstairs all together. So just in here you've got your sink and pedestal, you got your WC, and again same glass unit with light overhead and a shower cubicle there. You've also got your radiator just there under the towel rail. Okay, so you have a nice rain head shower in this one. You've got your frosted glass window as well. Okay. And just above the door you have your heater. You don't need that if you've got central heating in the house anyway, but if you don't put the central heating on, you know that time of the year that it's just starting to get chilly but not enough to put the central heating on. You got your little heaters in the bathroom. So in here is your second bedroom. Now you've got radiators under the window, you've got wardrobe, just above you've got a modern ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon in here as well. I'm just going to come down here and come around to show you. Now this is the front of the house, and you've got your aircon there. So you could put a double bedroom in here, guys, if you wanted to. It will take a double bedroom, a double bed. So let's go through, and we're going back into the living space here, right? So this is your dining area, but we're not going up there yet. I'm going to walk upstairs and we'll have a look at the top box first. So I'll see you at the top of the staircase. If you've noticed, you've got a handrail going up here as well. Beautiful marble steps. So guys, I've come upstairs, and as you can see, it's quite bright and airy in here. You got his and her wardrobes, you've got a ceiling light and fan, and you've got aircon. You've got patio windows out onto that beautiful terrace. But just behind me, if I pan around, you have got your radiators up here and your bathroom, which is an ensuite. So in here, you've got your sink and pedestal, got another radiator just over the towel rail, you've got your bidet, WC, and you've got a bath with a shower, and the shower screen is semi-frosted and clear, a mixture, with the shower attachment. Again, it's fully tiled with the blue trim, and you've got your blue accent in here as well. So you've got a nice frosted glass window there, and you've got your heater over the doorway. So I'm going to take you out. Now just down here, you have got your points for your TV, if you wanted to put TV up there. So I'm just going out here. Now it's lovely out here. So just there, you have your water point, and you have your storage door, your door to your storage, I should say. And that's quite a lot of storage in there. You know, put your suitcases or your bits and bobs in there. So it is absolutely lovely. So this looks over your pool. So that is your pool, and you can see how wide it is and how beautiful it is from the top up here. Now I'm just going to pan around. So it's quite big, isn't it? So just over here, I'm just going to point over here now, guys. Now over there is the golf club, and that's just a walk down the road and across a bit, and you're at the golf club. We are on the lower part of B, so you'd have to walk up the main road there to get to the shops and the supermarket. Now this is quite a big terrace, I got to say. Quite a big terrace indeed. So you've also got shutters here, and you've got an overhead light. So I'll take you down and we'll have a look at the kitchen and the dining area. So going down these beautiful marble steps again, and I'll see you at the bottom. So I've just come back downstairs now, and we're going in through the dining area. So this is where you can sit and have your lunch or your evening meal, just off the kitchen. You have, of course, lovely modern light up there, and you have your aircon. Now through here, this is your kitchen. So you've got a lovely modern kitchen, beautiful cupboards in grey and silver and a brown trim. You have a granite effect worktop there, and you have a sink and drainer. You've also got your water filter there as well. On the other side, you've got plenty more top and base units. You've got your electric hob and your electric oven. You've got microwave, toaster, fridge, freezer. We always have an inventory in the office of what's staying with the properties. We've also got a dishwasher there as well. So going out through, now this house is kind of back to front. Normally this would be going out to the pool area, but we're going into a utility room here. So in here is your utility room. And then you've got a few steps down to the door there. So I'm just coming out here, and this is the front of the property. You have loads of fruit trees around the property. The little sign on here that just says these are grapefruit. So these are baby grapefruit. So you have your breakfast already here in this property. Now I'm just going out to show you. You have got off-road parking here as well. And of course that is your garage there. So this is the front of the property. And of course over there is the golf course. And you got parkland all over there. So hi everyone, what do you think of this property? I think it's really lovely. You have these glass curtains all around the D section, which gives it a nice bright and open feel. And you've also got that area out there that you can dine and have a bit of lunch, and the pool is right behind me. So even though this house is kind of back to front, you've got a beautiful look to this property, especially to the back area here. It's really beautiful, and I like the fact the D is looking over the pool, so you can watch your family or friends or whatever and just sit in here and have a cup of coffee if you want, you know. In the title of the video I will leave the reference number for this property. I will also leave the WhatsApp number if you want to get in quick and get to talk to any of the people in the office. I'll leave all the details below, and don't forget to put that reference number in any email that you send us, okay? So please like, share or subscribe, support the channel, and I see you again next time with some more amazing villas from to let to sell to buy.com. Take care.